Larry Kowalski, our fiberglass guy, has finished up the hull. This hull had holes and stuff all in it now. He's repaired the dings and chips and cracks and holes, and look at that. Look at that, huh? That's pretty good. I'm gonna wipe it down once it quits raining, because I know he's put a fresh coat of wax on it, and polish up the whole thing. Fixed all these divots and dings that were in here, scratches, gouges. The whole front end was all dinged up with anchor marks, and now it's looking pretty nice. Looking good. He also did some work up on the top. There was a couple right up above the rub rail, a couple spots on the other side. We got a new burgee up. Skål's looking good, and we got our Coast Guard documentation yesterday. So there you go. Gotta get some new fenders, and I think we're gonna look shipshape. Our next project is to remove those wooden planks, one there on either side, the store bro, and restore those, revarnish them, make them look pretty, and then oil the teak, and it's gonna look all right. There's always little jobs, but I'm pretty happy with that. Look at this little bronze fitting. These little bronze fittings, that's pretty nice. Even polished up the chrome. Yeah, this thing's coming out looking really nice. Really nice. I think that one looks a little corroded. Okay, well, anyways, we're looking all right here. Just gotta get a new sticker there. It used to say something nice, now it just says W6, and I got hit with acetone.